Very good morning everyone. This is a revision video for class 7th from the topic adjectives. Let us define what is a adjective. Describing words are called adjectives. Adjectives describe the nouns or pronouns or add something to its meaning. Is known as adjectives. There are 8 kinds of adjectives. First one is adjectives of quality. Adjectives of quality describe the kind or quality of a person or a thing. They give an idea about the characteristics of the noun by answering the question what kind of. Adjectives of quality किसी वस्तु और पर्सन की विशेषता बताती हैं. Adjectives of quality include shape like square, rectangle, circular, size big, small, huge, immense, color red, yellow, pink, blue, etc. In taste sour, sweet, bitter. Appearance beautiful, ugly. Origin Indian, Chinese, American. Let us see the examples of adjectives of quality. Suman has a beautiful voice. The word beautiful is an adjective and it is modifying the word or noun voice. He is a gifted musician. The word gifted is an adjective and it is describing the noun musician. Next one, adjectives of quantity. These adjectives specify the quantity of a thing. They answer the question how much. For example, some, much, little, enough, sufficient. Adjectives of quantity किसी वस्तु की मात्रा के बारे में बताता है. For example, Virat showed much patience. The word much is an adjective and it is describing the noun patience. यानी कि बहुत ज़्यादा पेशेंस है. We have enough time to finish the work. The word enough is an adjective and it is describing the noun time. Third one, adjectives of number. These adjectives tell us how many people or things are being talked about. They answer the question how many. Adjectives of number किसी संख्या के बारे में बताता है. Adjectives of number are of 3 kinds. First one is definite numeral adjectives. These adjectives tell us the exact number of people or things. They are of 2 kinds. First one, cardinal. State the number of people or things. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 20, etc. For example, we have 30 spoons. यानी कि ये स्पून्स की संख्या के बारे में बता रहा है कि कितने संख्या में है. द आंसर इज 30. द वर्ड 30 इज एन एडजेक्टिव डिस्क्राइबिंग द नाउन स्पून्स. सेकंड वन, ऑर्डिनल्स. ऑर्डिनल्स स्टेट द ऑर्डर ऑफ पीपल और थिंग्स इन ए सीरीज. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ, सिक्स्थ, सेवंथ. ऑर्डिनल्स किसी वस्तु, पीपल के ऑर्डर के बारे में बोध कराता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, टुडे इज द लास्ट डे ऑफ द कार्निवल. द वर्ड लास्ट इज एन एडजेक्टिव डिस्क्राइबिंग द नाउन डे. सो डेफिनेट न्यूमरल एडजेक्टिव्स 2 तरह के होते हैं. फर्स्ट वन कार्डिनल्स, सेकंड वन इज ऑर्डिनल्स. नेक्स्ट वन इज इनडेफिनिट न्यूमरल एडजेक्टिव्स. These adjectives do not denote an exact number. For example, several, most, many, few, certain, etc. For example, we saw several animals but no tiger on the jungle safari. In this sentence, the word several is an adjective describing the noun animals and the word no is also an adjective डिस्क्राइबिंग द नाउन टाइगर. इस सेंटेंस में सेवरल जो है एनिमल्स की संख्या के बारे में बता रहा है. जो कि indefinite है. We do not know the exact number of animals. Adjective no is telling the indefinite number of tiger on the jungle safari. Next one, distributive numeral adjectives. These adjectives are used when the persons or things are taken one at a time. For example, each, every, either, neither, other, another. For example, each student will get a different set of questions in the test. In this sentence, the word each is an adjective describing the noun student. Next one is demonstrative adjectives. These adjectives point out to which person or thing is meant. They answer the question which one. For example, this, that, these, those. Demonstrative adjectives में हम this, that, these, those का प्रयोग करके किसी वस्तु या पर्सन को पॉइंट आउट करते हैं. For example, these vegetables are grown organically in my kitchen garden. In this sentence, the word these is a demonstrative adjective, or we can say demonstrative adjective these is pointing out to the noun vegetables. Next one is interrogative adjectives. These adjectives are used along with nouns to ask questions. ये एडजेक्टिव्स नाउन्स के साथ प्रश्न पूछने के लिए प्रयोग किया जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वाट, विच, हुज. विच बुक विल यू बाई. इन दिस सेंटेंस द वर्ड विच इज एन एडजेक्टिव इज पॉइंटिंग आउट टू द नाउन बुक. इट इज आस्किंग विच बुक, कौन सा किताब. हुज जैकेट इज दैट ऑन द फ्लोर. हुज इज पॉइंटिंग आउट टू द नाउन जैकेट. Next one is possessive adjectives. These adjectives show possession or belonging. They answer the question whose. For example, his, her, your, my, their. For example, this is her travel journal. In this sentence, the word her is telling the possession of travel journal. Your books are on the table. In this sentence also, the adjective your is telling the belonging of books. Now let us solve the workout. Identify the kinds of adjectives in these sentences. First one, the school purchased some expensive equipment for the new gymnasium. In this sentence, the word some is telling the quantity of expensive equipment. That is why some is an adjective of quantity. Second one, the children thanked their parents for the lovely gifts. In this sentence, the word there is acting as a possessive adjective and lovely is adjective of quality telling about the noun gifts. Third one, I need to return these books to the library by tomorrow. In this sentence, the word these is a demonstrative adjective and is pointing out to the noun books. Fourth one, the silent night filled his childish heart with vague fears. In this sentence, the word silent is telling the quality of night. That is why silent is a adjective of quality. यह बता रहा है कि किस तरह का नाइट था. His childish. His is a possessive adjective and it is showing the possession of childish. Vague fear. Vague fear is telling the quality of fears. That is why vague will be adjective of quality. Next example, the brave queen rode a magnificent horse into the dangerous battlefield. In this sentence, the word brave is telling the quality of the queen. That is why it will be adjective of quality. Magnificent horse. Magnificent is telling the quality of horse. This is also a adjective of quality. Dangerous battlefield. यानी कि द बैटल फील्ड वॉज डेंजरस। डेंजरस इज एक्टिंग एज अ एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वालिटी। I am giving you a homework which you have to complete and forward it on the class WhatsApp group.